Stop scrolling. You think you know AI art. You think you've seen high definition. What if I told you the smartest artist on the planet isn't a human and it's named after a snack? Welcome back. Today we are looking at the single weirdest, most powerful release of 2025. It's not a new graphics card. It's not a fruit flavored circuit board. Sorry, hardware nerds. It is Google's Nano Banana Pro, officially known as Gemini 3 Pro Image. But let's be real, the internet has already decided on the name. Released just days ago, this thing is breaking the internet. Why? Because for the first time, an image generator isn't just guessing what pixels go where, it is thinking. Here is the headline: Thinking Mode. Unlike the old days, way back in, 2024, where you typed a cat on a bike and the AI just hallucinated a fur ball with wheels. Nano Banana Pro uses Google's search grounding. That's right. It connects to the live internet before it draws. If you ask for a selfie of the winning team of last night's game, it looks up who won, looks up their jerseys, checks the stadium lighting, and then generates the image. But here is the feature that is actually scaring graphic designers. It's called the Style Anchor. You can upload up to 14 reference images. You want a comic book about your dog in the style of Van Gogh, wearing a specific brand of sneakers? Nano Banana Pro doesn't just blend them, it understands the concept of your dog and keeps it consistent across 100 different panels. It's basically a movie studio in a text box. Now we have to talk about the name. Nano Banana. The original Flash version from earlier this year was fast, cheap, and a little chaotic. But the Pro version, it renders in native 4K. It handles text perfectly. You can literally write a prompt saying, make a neon sign that says, subscribe or the banana gets it. And it will spell every letter correctly. So is it perfect? Not quite. In crowd mode, it still sometimes gives people the same face if you aren't careful. And because it thinks before it draws, it takes about 6 seconds to generate an image. 6 seconds? Can you imagine waiting that long in 2025? The horror. But the real question is, who is this for? If you are a student, it generates accurate scientific diagrams. If you are a marketer, it translates text inside your images automatically. And if you're just bored, you can make a squirrel fight a dragon in the style of a 1980s dark fantasy movie. Nano Banana Pro proves that we are moving from generative AI to reasoning AI. It's not just art anymore. It's data visualization with a soul. So are you going to let a banana outcreate you, or are you going to use it? Check the link below to try the thinking mode yourself. And tell me in the comments, what is the first thing you'd ask it to draw? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the weird future we live in. See you in the next one.